Okay, I'm just making this video to show where I'm at in my drone build. I want to thank CarbonAeronautics for producing the information, the documentation, design, the board, software. It must have taken months, many months to do. And I'm so appreciative of it because I like tinkering with code. And so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I see the red LED is lit, and soon it'll go to it's calibrating, as we know, and there we go, it's leveled out. My decision, I soldered the chips to the board. Of course, I got 5 more sets of boards which I can build more drones. And the problem I had is this motor here, which I damaged it because the screws that come with it come for the props in the motor, and I happened to grab one of the screws for the prop and use it on the motor, and it damaged the copper. So that is what happened there. So I got to recalibrate my ESC, probably going to replace that ESC there. But I got everything through AliExpress and JL PCB, and but I can't wait to get this thing all set to go to fly. Now, I got over here, let me go over to my other office here. This is my kitchen. And another drone, of course, I got a lot of this off of YouTube. And this drone here is a YMFC32. This one here uses the blue pill, and I got GPS, everything on it, but the code in there has got some neat code to do sensor testing. So I'm going to take that code from there and combine it with the CarbonAeronautics drone and perfect it. So, but anyway, this is another drone that I built, and I also produced a breadboard version so I can do some modifications to the circuitry. So anyway, I just want to thank CarbonAeronautics for spending it. It must have taken many months to produce excellent documentation. In the theory, I'm learning a lot. So thank you, CarbonAeronautics, for such for good material.